In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paste in place across artboards in Adobe Illustrator so your objects land in the exact same position every single time. If you've ever copied something from one artboard to another and had it appear slightly offset, misaligned, or completely out of place, this quick method will save you a lot of time and frustration. This is especially useful when you're working on multi-page designs, social media sets, presentation slides, or any project with multiple artboards. Make sure to watch until the end so you can apply this smoothly in your own workflow. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project that contains multiple artboards. You can see your artboards by going to Window and making sure Artboards is checked, or simply by zooming out so you can view more than one at a time. Now, click on the object that you want to copy. This could be text, a logo, a shape, an icon, or even a grouped set of elements. Make sure the object is fully selected. You should see the bounding box around it, indicating that it's active. Once the object is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. If you're using a Mac, that would be Command+C. This copies the object to your clipboard, but we're not going to paste it the normal way. Next, select the Artboard tool by pressing Shift+O on your keyboard. You can also find it in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. When the Artboard tool is active, click directly on the artboard where you want the object to appear. This step is very important because it tells Illustrator which artboard you're targeting. After selecting the correct artboard, press Ctrl+Shift+V on your keyboard. On a Mac, that would be Command+Shift+V. This shortcut is called Paste in Place. What this does is paste your copied object in the exact same X and Y position as it was on the previous artboard. You'll immediately notice that the object appears in precisely the same location, just on the new artboard. There's no need to manually drag it, no need to align it again, and no need to guess the position. It's perfectly matched. This is extremely helpful when you're creating consistent layouts across multiple artboards. For example, if you're designing Instagram posts in different sizes, presentation slides with consistent branding, or UI screens that share the same header or footer elements, Paste in Place keeps everything aligned perfectly. One quick tip: if the object doesn't appear where you expect, double-check that you selected the correct artboard using Shift+O before pasting. If a different artboard was active, Illustrator will paste relative to that one instead. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. Just copy the object once, select a different artboard with the Artboard tool, and press Ctrl+Shift+V again. It's fast, precise, and keeps your workflow clean. And that's it. That's how you paste in place across artboards in Illustrator. A simple shortcut, but a huge time saver once you start using it regularly. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other Illustrator tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.